What's up, guys? Kellen here with the Gear Bunker. Doing a review today on my awesome hydration pack. This is the Hydro Flask Journey 10-liter insulated ladder pack. It's pretty cool. So I'm out here just walking up a little trail, testing it out. I've taken it on a couple runs, and now I'm out on a trail. Got it full of water. Got my GPS in the back. Got a small pistol inside of it. And as soon as I get up here, I'll show you how this thing works and the features. I think it's a nice pack. It's really comfortable. All right, let's get up here to the opening. Yeah, like I said, I've been running with it, and comfortable. Padded shoulder straps, padded waist strap. Hang on. Woo! I almost bit it. Okay. Deep dark woods. Alright. Let's get back out on the clearing. Here we go. So this thing is abrasion proof, good rugged fabric that's not going to tear on these sticker bushes and stuff. Don't have to worry about that. Yeah, see? Alright, made it, guys. Nice beautiful Pacific Northwest day out here in the mountain. Let me take this off and show you what I got going on. So it's got, you know, a couple good straps. That's the great thing I like about this magnetic clip. Boom. I could be running, take a drink, goes right back. Pretty neat. And it's the bite valve, so you just right there. Okay, so first thing we got going on here, this mesh back panel. It's really nice. Feels good on the back. Keeps you cool. It's got this articulate back panel that helps air go through. Helps keep the reservoir cool, and because the air gets to go through the back. This mesh panel. Like I said, padded straps. I like this blue color too, it's really nice. They come in a couple sizes. You got small, medium, and this is the medium large, so fits me well. Like I said, it's made out of a nice, rugged, waterproof material. All the zippers are sealed, and it's got a couple pockets on the back for, you know, keys, cell phone. I've actually fit the pistol in here too. And then over here this is the other pocket. I got my GPS. It's kind of a small pocket. It's not big enough for your phone. There we go. So it fits a GPS in there. Now the main compartment here zips up on all the way down one side here. So you start over here. There you go. And so there's my camera case. Like I said, I fit a pistol in here, so it fits the small pistol frame good. I got an extra magazine in there. There's like 2 mesh pockets. They're elastic. It's not a lot of space. I couldn't fit an extra sweatshirt or jacket in here with the full bladder. If I had half the bladder full, I could probably fit a jacket in there. Now this is what makes this bag awesome. It is an insulated reservoir. So not only is the bladder insulated, okay, it sits in a neoprene sleeve which is really nice. And then like a reflective mylar outside. So it's supposed to keep the water cool for 4 hours. Hydro Flask recommends putting ice inside the reservoir. It's kind of interesting, these new reservoirs, how they work. You actually just slide that piece off, and then it's like a Ziploc bag how it opens. Kind of cool and innovative. So yeah, I got, the essentials in there. I got GPS, water, keys. Overall, it's a nice bag too. I really like how it looks. It's low profile. Like I said, it's abrasion proof. It's puncture proof, and it's great for mashing through the woods, through sticker bushes and branches, whatever. I like to run out in the Pacific Northwest a lot, so you need that. And the waterproof material, I think it really makes this bag awesome. So thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe. The Gear Bunker, we got a YouTube channel and gear reviews dropping weekly. Come on back and check out some new gear, and I'll see you later.